Hey guys, welcome back. Pardon the smoke over here. I just fired up some Prime 6 charcoal over here and it's heating up quick. Guys, welcome back. I tell you what, I'm pretty excited. I got some, they're pretty thick cut. They're two bone-in pork chops I got from Porter Road. So you know they're dry aged and they're gonna be good. So guys, we're gonna get in here and get them seasoned up, get them on the grill, cause we gotta get these cooked. Well, one, before dark. We're at that time of the year where everything's getting dark on us early. And two, we got a big football game coming on tonight. It's a big rivalry football game between the University of Louisville Cardinals, my team, taking on the Kentucky Wildcats. And it's a rivalry game. I think it's going to be an uphill battle for the Cardinals, but we'll see how it comes out. So guys, let's go inside and get these things prepped. Okay, I've changed my mind about 3 times in the last 5 minutes on how I'm gonna do this thing. But look at these beautiful pork chops, guys. They're about 0.75 pounds, and if my quick math, I think that's right around 9 ounces each. So pretty healthy little pork chops, and I'm pretty excited about that. The seasoning I'm gonna use is some of the Porter Road All Things Roast. It's their butcher's blend. I used that on some steaks a while back, and I'm just gonna coat them there with some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Don't know that that's needed, but it'd be a good little binder. But I'm not going to season them up real heavy. Well, maybe I am, not realizing it. Be able to get all the sides from what's left. Get these flipped over. Them are some good looking chops, guys. I'm excited. Beautiful. As soon as that fire comes off, we're going to get these on. We'll get them in, sear them off, then I'll pull them in direct and let them cook the rest of the way. I do believe we are about there. Look at that, boys. Darn near perfect right there. There we go. Get this heated up. Dial back our vents a little bit. But I don't want it too awfully hot. Okay guys, here we go. Come on. Directly over the hot coals. We're going to do this for about 3 minutes on each side, then I'll move them in direct. Tell you what, at least the good Lord's leaving us a very pretty sunset. Take a look at that. Would you look at that? Woo! This ain't gonna take real long. Another 3 minutes, guys. Alright, boys and girls. I'm gonna pull these indirect. Look at there. Things looking amazing. I am gonna check some temps on this. I need to be at 140 is where we're going. We're not quite there, so we're gonna let these cook indirect the rest of the way. And just because, I'm gonna throw a little cherry wood on here to generate a little smoke on them. You notice I had to break out some artificial light here. We are a little past sunset and we're gonna need some extra sunshine. Alright, just for some even cooking, I'm gonna give these guys a flip. Looking good, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and check some temps. I can feel it, we're getting closer. Need a little bit more though. 114. little bit more there. So yeah, 120 here. All right, when you see me next, I'll be pulling this off and getting them inside. Let's see what we got here, guys. Yeah, we're at 141 right there, 142, 43. Yeah, we're good. 141, 43, 44. We're there, guys. So I'm gonna pull these off. I'll talk to you inside when we're cutting this up and get a taste. Look at that. Guys, would you look at that beautiful pork chop? I got some, just we're keeping it very simple tonight. It's just me and Mama. No children tonight. We just got some Greek pasta salad from the deli. And it's actually left over from Thanksgiving night, just a couple nights ago. So rather than waste it, we're gonna eat it right here with these pork chops. So look at that. Alright guys, bones over here. Boy, they left me a good bone there too. Great cut on this. Great cut on this. Beautimous, beautimous guys. Alright, let's get a taste of this. Look at that. Moist. Look at it. Look how moist that is, guys. Alright guys, I apologize. This lighting is horrible. It's that time of the year and I got a light out over here. So gonna go work with what we got. I know it's good because Mama's already gave me the thumbs up. And she is right. Oh my God, that is so good, guys. Porter roast porter roast pork chop. Oh my God. Perfect cut, perfectly seasoned with porter roast seasoning. Perfectly cooked over Prime 6 charcoal, guys. Promo code 1010 could get you 10% off on that one. But guys, well, I'll tell you what. Very happy with this one. Very happy. Missed last week. I do apologize. As you've seen, I got a new channel. Look for a link down below for that. Check it out. Subscribe if you like what you see. A little different than cooking. So, guys, thank you as always. It's that time of the year where the outdoor cooks are going to be limited, but we'll be cooking more inside. Got things to come. Got some new news coming to you real soon, guys. If you follow me on Facebook, you already know what it is, but we're very excited about that. But we're going to cook outside as much as we can, even if we got to use the artificial lighting. But it is what it is. As it gets colder, we might move inside. So, guys, until next time, God bless you.